Nice, big, juicy, pink cupcake. All right, this right here, I'm about to wake Frankie up. Her birthday. And it's going down. Watch this. She's a light sleeper, so hopefully she doesn't wake up. Oh, shit. Damn, look at this room. That's crazy. And she's got to clean all this up, too. Got fixie bikes and guitars and Jonies. Happy birthday!